Hey friends, if you get this error 1001 on Roblox, then what does it mean? Is it a glitch? Is it a prank? What is it? So I will show this error in large. It says we have detected another device in your house. In case you're alone, seek for help as soon as possible. Error code 1001. This is a very weird error, and some have also received this one, that please call 911. I say this is a part of the game. This is not an error, it is a part of the game itself. So in many cases it's a part of the game, in many cases it's a prank, but mostly it is not a genuine error. I have never seen such an error, and many users on Reddit have confirmed that this is not an error. And it is actually a part of a psychological horror game called The Survey. So it is an excellent trick, I appreciate it, but this is not an error. Another user says that it has been made to creep you out and make you leave. But here's what I would do if I was you. I would click on keep playing. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.